loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you subscribe and stay with us and enjoy joining our beauty clan. Today's video, I'm going to share with you an unboxing of one of the PR packages that I got recently, and this is in collaboration with Merit. Merit is a makeup or beauty brand that just recently launched and been available at Sephora Canada, I think last year. I used to work at Sephora until November last year, and this is one of the brands that I've been eyeing because I love clean brands, and a lot of brands are now leaning towards being certified or being known as part of the clean beauty community. They also have a couple of products that have gotten Allure Beauty Awards in 2021, which is amazing. One of the things that also attracted me to this brand is that they focus on minimalist beauty and less is more concept. So excited when they emailed me to do a collab. Of course, that's a no-brainer. I absolutely said yes, and I'm so happy after receiving my package. So this is the package that they sent me. So they sent me their full 5-minute makeup collection. So it looks like this when you open the package, the minimalist beauty that they've been focusing on. I love that idea, and since I had kids, I always try to pick the essentials in my makeup bag or in my vanity to make sure that I would still be able to look my best, feel good every day, but not spending too much time. They have focused on clean beauty, and at the same time, less is more, only the essential beauty products that you would need for an everyday, easy, quick, mistake-proof makeup routine. So this is their makeup bag, or a very cute makeup pouch that comes with all the 7 products in their collection. So they sent me all of them to try and see how I like them and give my honest opinion about their products. Try them once, and I am honestly pretty impressed with their products. A lot of them I wasn't expecting to be that good, and no doubt why they got Allure Awards with a couple of their products. And these are the 2 products that they got Allure Awards. First is their Lengthening Mascara. And another thing that I like about this brand and their products are their packaging. They look really slick, really classy and luxurious, but their price is very reasonable. I will show you guys each one of them, and I will share with you product details and also my first impression on each products. Thank you again so much, Mary, for giving me this opportunity and for this collaboration. For you guys, I will also leave the link of all the products that I will show you guys. This brand is pretty new to the market, so there's not a lot of reviews yet. So I want to make sure that I can do my own product reviews and first impression on their product. So if you guys are interested to know more about Merit Beauty and what I think about their products, then keep on watching. The first product I want to talk about is their Perfecting Complexion Stick. So it looks like this. It's very compact. This works as a foundation and concealer in one. And the shade that I got is Camel. This stick retails for $49. It is lightweight, it has medium coverage, and gives you a natural finish. And it replaces both your foundation and concealer in your makeup bag. It is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. And as you guys can see, this foundation gives me a natural skin finish. It almost looks like dewy, but it's not too oily. So even if I have oily combination skin, I still can wear this. I'm not scared to wear this foundation and the products that they have. It is also very creamy and easy to blend. And speaking of blending, this is the one that I use to blend that stick. This is their brush number 1 tapered blending brush. So it is very compact. It retails for $39, and it has Allure the Beauty Expert 2021 Best of Beauty Awards as well. It is a great blending brush for any complexion products. It blends perfectly and softly blurs any imperfection and gives you an airbrush finish. Next one is another Allure Award winner here. This is their Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. This one retails for $34. Perfect for everyday mascara that defines, separates, and lengthens your lashes to give you a wide awake and with no smudging ever. It is also vegan, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. So as you guys know, it's hard for me to find a good mascara, but for the first time that I tried this today, I am absolutely in love. And I think this will replace my current mascara favorite in my makeup bag. So what I like about this one, as you guys can see, I have very fine lashes, but it really gives a definition and it keeps it curled up, while other mascara just weighs them down. It doesn't create any clumping, which I love, and it really lifts up my lashes. Plus, it doesn't look dry at all because it has the olive oil extract and fatty acids that keeps my lashes nourished. Next is their Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade Brow Gel. So the color I got is brown. First, I like the packaging. Look at that. It's so nice and classy. It does hold my brows up, and at the same time, it gives you a nice fluffy look just like the 1980s brows. This one retails for $31. They have 3 different colors. It's a tinted gel that's designed to give your most face-framing brows. It shapes, it grooms, and add hold for a fuller, more natural look. This one is also vegan and cruelty-free. Next is their blush. This is their cream blush, and the shade I got is the Beverly Hills. This one actually applies effortlessly. Like, I don't have to blend it. I literally like dab it, and that's it. Like, this is the most convenient blush, cream blush that I've used ever, and I love this one. And this one retails for $36. They have 5 different shades. They're also vegan and cruelty-free. It's a foolproof, which is literally foolproof, I am telling you guys. Flexible balm that deposits a creamy, transparent veil of color to let your skin show through. And I can testify to that, guys. This one is foolproof, absolutely foolproof, and blends seamlessly on your skin. And this one I would say is one of my favorite on the collection. And last but not the least is their highlighter stick. So the one that I got is Cava. So this is their highlighting balm. This one retails for $39. They have 2 different colors, and of course they're also vegan and cruelty free. They also have olive fruit oil that nourishes your skin, and it has fatty acids and vitamin E, so your skin looks more healthier. And I am pretty impressed with how glowy my skin looks without making it look like really sparkly or glittery. This one gives you a nice natural glow onto the skin, and I didn't put a lot, honestly, guys. Like, I put it here and here, and look how my glow is just popping right there and on the bridge of my nose, and I love it. This one is very creamy as well. I don't need to blend it or use any brush or any specific tools. I literally just like apply it like that, and look, there you have it. Really nice natural glow. Next one is their Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. The shade I got is called Cara. It is a soft red orange. They also have 7 other colors available. It retails for $31. It's hydrating, cruelty-free, vegan, fragrance-free, and absolutely clean at Sephora, and it is a high shine finish. It's infused with rosehip oil and shea butter for a healthy looking lips all day long. I love this one because it's very, very hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky at all. My lips really feel soft and nourished for a long period of time. I just wish that the color will last longer as well. So that's my first impression and product review on the Merit 5-minute makeup collection. As you guys can tell, I love them, and I would absolutely replace my other stuff from my makeup bag. This is one of the best collabs that I've had, because honestly, this brand is one of the new brands that I've been eyeing to try, and I am so glad that I had this opportunity. So thank you again so much, Merit. So make sure you guys check them out. I will leave the link down below with all the products that I used today, and I hope you find it helpful and you would love them as much as I did. And if you guys believe in minimalist beauty, less is more, and wanted to achieve that easy, quick, everyday makeup look, I highly recommend to try them out. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more of this kind of videos, please leave a comment down below, and I hope to see you guys again next week. Take care and keep safe.